Hi tax professionals, this is Ahmad Malik from plansimba.com, and in this quick video I'm going to talk about a quick utility that my team has put together for creating IRS Form 843 in bulk. Remember the Kwong case, and everyone was wanting to file the protective claim by July 10th, so that's what I'm talking about. And in this simple, quick, short video, we're going to talk about how to do something very simple called document merge or mail merge. So what we have done is we've already created a template, and in that template we've already created placeholders, and so we're going to show you how to go about that. But the step one is to create, go to the templates, and on the templates page, go there and click on the template for the form 843. The next step would be to download the sample data CSV. These are the sample data CSVs that you're going to fill up with your own client's data. So those clients that have the USA address, so you could fill those clients with this sample data CSV. And if you had foreign clients, meaning those who are in foreign countries outside USA, for those clients you could use this data file. So we just separated these two files to make it simple and easy to manage. And the next step would be that you would go in, open the template, and at the bottom of the template, as a tax professional, you are required to put in your own credentials. So the template would have dummy credentials. You would remove those credentials and put in your own credentials. And then after you change the your credentials, at the end you will simply click on submit, and you will be able to send the data, and those PDF would get generated and be sent to your clients via email. So to give you an idea on the template page, so if we click here on the template page, remember we are on plansimba.com, and so you click here, you will get to see different templates, and I believe this is the template that I've been told that was prepared for this. So we go in and we click on this reuse and continue with existing CSV or upload new CSV. In my case, I could probably choose continue with the existing CSV. So let's click on that, and what is going to happen is it's going to bring up the template, and over here it's the dummy placeholders that have been created just to give us an idea on as to how this thing is being done. The real template with real client data have also been created, but for privacy reasons I'm not showing those here right now. So basically this is the IRS Form 843, and it has different placeholders. We can drag and drop, put them here wherever we want. So just to get you a familiarity on how these placeholders basically work. So this template was already created actually, and then so if you look here, if we were coming in for the first time, we could upload from our local drive the PDF document. This is the one. And then step 2 would be to upload or provide the data source, and in our case it could be upload from a CSV, or the data could even come from a web form. And so that's the CSV file that was uploaded. Those are the fields that belong to the CSV file. And then for the recipients could come in from the contacts. The recipients could even come from tags or groups or communities, and actually the recipients could also come from the CSV, that the data that has been uploaded. So one of the column may also have the email addresses. If the column has the email addresses, I think somewhere here in the user interface it should say that the contacts will be from the CSV file. There should be a checkbox over here. So I'm just talking to my software team developer, giving them hints on what to improve going forward. And then there is a message that we have already created, and that message is basically like a template. And that message is also being made available for the users to be able to include. And then at the end over here, all they have to do is click on merge and send for signatures. When you click on this, the documents do get created, and you will see on the documents page, you will see those documents showing up as they start sending them. So this is just a quick intro how the document merge is working in plansimba.com. And if you have more questions or like to learn more, just contact us. Thanks for watching.